Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Millie, and if you're my returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm talking about a bag, a Chloé bag. I was looking for a bag for spring and summer, you know. Right now I'm in my life where I just want to have one, maybe 2, 3 bags, good bags, and that's it. I don't want to have like 10 different colors, this and this and that. So I have one of my black bags I really love. I leave a picture here. I love that black bag. I carry it everywhere. So I wanted a bag for spring and summer, or to wear with neutral colors. So I have this bag. It's from Chloé. The bag is called Chloé Marcie. And I got the bag. This is the bag. It's in the tan color. I hope you can see that. It's a very beautiful bag. It's very settled. It doesn't have so many. It doesn't have a huge logo, and that's what I'm also loving about my bags now. I want my bags not to be like shouting. You know, I have 2 Louis Vuitton bags, and I got them pre-loved. Probably will sell them. I want a bag that is settled. So there is a small one there. I don't know if you can see it. Chloé. The sun is coming in and out. Yeah, and this is the bag. It has very beautiful stitching. If you look from afar, you can see beautiful stitching. I don't know if you can see that. And it has some gold. If you, yeah, it's a bag for me. This kind of bag, I can wear it daytime. I can wear it evening time. I don't want to have those bags which are going to be lying around just waiting for me to go out. I want a kind of bag that I can put on. I can put on flat shoes, just walking around in the town and wear. But I also want a bag I can put on a very nice dress and go and walk around with this bag. And the handle, what is called, the strap is adjustable. There's one extra hole. There's this one hole here and another hole here, so you can see this whole part. If you're a tall girl, you can make it tall. I might say the bag is very good for petite girls. Yes, it's a very good bag for petite girls. And guys, I haven't had the bag for a long time, so I think maybe I'll make a review maybe after 6 months of having the bag. But yeah, and the thing I think some people have talked about that they did not like about this bag is what the zip. If you see, the zip is like in a jacket. Can you see over there? Here? I don't know if you can see that. It's like open. So if you have to open it, it's like almost like a jacket. If you have to close it, you have to put it back there and then close it. Most of the time I'm carrying it, or you can just let it not go far. Just push it like halfway. But yeah, most of the time I'm carrying it when it's not closed. There's no so many pickpocketers here in Denmark. So most of the time I'm carrying it and not zipped up, you know. And the zip is really nice. It's see, it fell off again, you know. So I just leave it like that. I think some people will be turned off by that. But for me, I don't mind carrying it. If I carry it like this, when I've not closed it, it doesn't look bad. Nobody can see it, and somebody has to really put their hand in there to pick something. So yeah, the color is called tan, and it's 100% calf leather. Yes, 100% calf leather, and inside it's a cotton cloth, rough cotton cloth. Yes, and it came with a card. Let me see here. Authentic card here. Came with an authentic card, and I got it from that. We got it from that shop page called 24 Boutique. The color is called 25M, and look at the handle here. I love the color, but I could also have gone for a color that was a little bit light. I'll put a picture. Maybe I might put a picture here of the color I'm talking about. But this goes. You have to find outfit that fit with it, with white and beige. Even with this, I can wear it with this. Yeah, and look at the. It really very well made. I think they say I've had like they're handmade, and like every person in the factory does one thing, you know. Not everybody is doing the same thing. Yes, another thing, it has like a pocket here. if you are carrying it, you cannot even notice that like there's a pocket behind here. It just looks like a fashion, but there's a pocket behind here, in here. But with these new iPhones, like my big iPhone, my iPhone 12 Plus, it cannot fit in there. It cannot fit in there. I can't close, and I cannot put it in like this. So for the smaller I think for the smaller iPhones, you can have it in there very safely. But there's also a space. There's also another, what is it called? You can put things in there. It only has two, this big one and that small one and this one. Yeah, guys, I don't know how much to say about this bag. It's a very beautiful bag. I love it. Yes, I am. Another thing to say, it's not a, what is it called? It's not a stable bag. Like it if you put it down, it will yeah. And I think you should not like fully put so much in it. But guys, I'm going to show you what can fit in this bag. It actually can take a lot, you know. I think if I want to go for an evening, I can even take this off and just carry it like an evening bag. I don't have to have fancy bags for going out. I want to use the bags I have. I'm going to sell a lot of my bags and just have like maybe 3 bags and that's it. But let me show you what can fit in. Yeah, did I say the bag is actually made in Italy? Yeah, the bag is made in Italy. But this little iPad, it can fit in here without a problem. I don't carry this big wallet anymore, but if you have a wallet this size, it's going to fit in there perfectly. These days I carry a very, very small wallet. One of the pair of my glasses. Fitting in there perfectly, still so much space. My iPhone fits in there perfectly. I still have a lot of space. I could, if I want a bottle of water, I could fill in a bottle of water in there. It still looks nice. It's not like, even down here still looks nice. But for me, I don't mind. I want to use my bag. I don't want to baby my bag. It's my bag and I'm going to be using it. See? Very nice, and there's still so much space. So yeah, this is the small size. I would never have gone for a medium size. I think the medium size is too big, and I think they have a mini one. I think that's very, very small. I think you would only fit in your iPhone. I don't even think the iPhone will fit in. But this is how it looks when it's filled up. Guys, this was a quick review of the bag. I think I'll make another review when I've had the bag long time. I'll try to show you how it sits on me. But yeah, I love the bag. Be careful you don't feel it too much. Actually, another thing, the bag is not heavy. It's a very, very light bag. When you look at it, it seems like heavy. Right now I have a lot of things in it. Yeah, but the bag is very, very light. If you don't fill it up, you can actually wear it the whole day. Let me show you some videos of me carrying the bag. You can carry the bag like this, guys. I don't know if you can see that.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video about this bag, and yeah, leave some questions and I can answer them if I have the information. Yeah, I recommend the bag. Yes, I would say I recommend the bag. It's very nice, but I've also said I haven't had the bag for a long time, so I'm going to do a review again when I've had the bag, maybe for 6 months or so. I think it would be a good bag also to have on vacation. So I love the bag. It's very, very nice bag. So thank you for watching, guys, and like and share and stay tuned for more videos like this. All right.